Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Just wanted to do a startup of our gorgeous 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This one's got 178,000 miles. All right, I hope you guys can excuse the glare. 178,000 miles. Let's go ahead and do a quick video walk around and start it up for you guys. It's a really gorgeous Jeep. Beautiful brand new tires. Aftermarket bumper, front and rear. Also the winch is aftermarket on this. Get a couple beautiful lights mounted on. Really heavy duty rear bumper with some extra storage space. It also has a hitch built in, and that says up to 7,500 pounds of towing capacity. And you also get Infinity Premium sound system on the Sahara, which is an upgraded feature. And here's a quick peek at the front. All right, folks, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any particular questions about this Jeep or anything else in our inventory, do not hesitate to reach out and I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.